So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Krishna, and today we will be discussing the sustainable soap that we all should make, and it's really important if we should make this change because plastic is not good for us. We all know it, but we on daily basis end up using them again and again, and we don't even care about it. But कितना प्लास्टिक यार, कितना प्लास्टिक हम अपने हमारे लैंडफिल्स और सी में जाने दे रहे हैं. According to a report of PETA India 2021, only 9% of plastic is getting recycled, and the rest 91% of the plastic is ending up in seas or landfills, and which are polluting in a huge amount. And this is just a statistics of plastic, and today we will be discussing how we can swap things in a sustainable way. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the video. First sustainable swap that we all can make is ditching our regular plastic comb to an wood comb, and it's an amazing product. And this comb is made from neem wood, and it helps to prevent dandruff and static hair, and it's an amazing product. I swear by this, and I'm using this from I think 4 or 5 months, and it's an amazing product, and it's eco-friendly also. So yeah, it's on our number one list, that's why, and I love it. So you should also try it, and it's cheap, it's not expensive, so you should try it. So the second sustainable swap that we all can make is ditching our single-use plastic straw to an reusable straw. And I know most of you will say this is also not plastic. I know it's plastic, but this straw came with a mason jar that I use, so I use this straw to its full potential. So yeah, and I have already ordered a stainless steel straw also, but it hasn't been arrived, so I'm waiting for that. So whenever I travel, I can carry that and make less pollution. Third swap that we all can make is ditching our plastic containers to steel container or a glass container, whichever you like. The fourth sustainable swap that we all can make is switching from aluminium foil to a muslin cloth or a cotton cloth, and it's a really helpful way to live a sustainable life. And aluminium foil leaches certain chemicals which are not good for your health, and that chemicals first goes into your food, and that food gets infected with those chemicals, and you eat that food and you also get those chemicals, and which are definitely not good for you. And the aluminium foil which you throw in the dustbin also don't get recycled, so again it also polluting our environment in a huge way. So please stop using aluminium. And yeah, अगर आपको कभी कभी यूज करना है तो it's okay, but don't make a habit of using on your daily life. So the fifth sustainable swap that we all can make is switching from regular plastic food wrap to silicone coverlets, which are extremely good for our environment also, and they keep our food fresh and healthy. So do try it, and I bought it from Amazon for 150 or $200, and 6 pieces में आया था ये. And I'm really happy with the product, and quality wise भी बहुत अच्छा है. So please go and buy it and just be a more sustainable person. And if you are liking this video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So the last thing that I want to talk about in this video is about single-use plastic. I know, you know, we all know single-use plastic is not good for our environment, but we still end up using them in our daily life, and we actually cannot just replace them all the time. We have to use certain products of plastic also. So I have got a way how we can effectively manage single-use plastic by making an eco brick. What is an eco brick? Okay, I'm going to explain you, but before that I'll let you know that I got inspired by a YouTuber whose name is Anuj Ramdari. He makes some amazing environment awareness content. He's an eco freak who is on a mission to spread environmental awareness. And please don't forget to subscribe to his channel because he makes amazing content.
To make an eco brick, you should only use single-use plastic, and the first step is to wash plastic bags thoroughly with dishwash or any soap that you have, and let them get dry at a place. And after they get dry, and then you just have to put into the bottle that you are using to make an eco brick. It's just simple, and you have to fill the bottle until it gets hard. And these eco bricks are used to make various structures like well, home, etc. And after making an eco brick, you are confused what to do with it, then don't worry. If you live in these cities, then you can give to this organization and they will make a good use out of it.
And आज के लिए इतना ही guys. I will see you next time. So for today, bye and be an environment friendly person, please.